Get the thumbnail. Get the thumbnail. Come move your hand, bro. What you? Alright, it's your man. Eclipse. Come back to another video till we do
it. Jump kind of early, but it'd be like that.
It do like that. We doing a burrito mukbang with snacks. I posted something on my Insta story. Suggestions, and y'all gave me some, so let's get into the video.
Your mans, no, I ain't shooting the hands. Took an L, I ain't took one again. Crash a Rari, so I hopped in the Benz. It's crazy how they watch a young nigga go move. It's crazy, worry about yourself, nigga, make a move. You steady watching all the winning niggas, you gon' lose. I don't gotta prove. You steady watching all the winning niggas, you gon' lose. I don't never lose. Flying my mom to Japan, flying my dad to Japan. We in the Benz, we gon'
Why I do YouTube?
First of all, it's not a sentence, but
Yeah, but why do YouTube?
Yeah, Eddie. Why do you do YouTube? Why is it so important to you?
I was a gamer, right? I love video games. Like, I love video games.
you love getting
I
carried.
love games. Well, I carry you all the time for playing.
Play the clip.
Carry me.
You can't beg.
I love video games. So I started doing video games, like streaming, recording, making montages, all that. And it was like, yeah, it's fun. So I'm keeping on YouTube. And those were getting views. So it's like, me and my friends decided to start doing viral videos,
Public interviews.
all that. And we're gonna get to more some possible basketball games,
hold up.
all that. Yeah.
The natural one, man.
We got music. What type of music I like?
Man, you know what I'm saying? Diversity. Got your DMV side of me.
DMV. Zion, man.
Zan, man.
Baby chopper when we came from the Russian guy. Stay in the trap, no you can't come inside. Standing on me, they the hoop with the gun inside. Look at me now, I'm feeling like bustin' around. Smooth the pounds, come and shop anytime. Mini Uzi going blow like a dandelion.
Got your Zan, man. Got your Playboy card, you know. Then sometimes, you know, gotta take it on like chill music. Not like, you know, like,
The Drake.
yeah, Drake,
Morpheus.
stuff like that.
I like K-pop.
BTS. I listen to that.
These are K-pop bands.
What else we got? Wait, you ain't say what kind of music you like? Music. DMV. Simple.
That's
You don't got
it.
snack, you got foodie in
I got my chill mix. Drake. Who you putting there? You can put in Frank Ocean, if you don't know. I'm educated on
J.
social
Cole?
science. J. Cole, of course. One of the best artists in the world. Travis Scott. I'm not gay. People think I'm gay because I like this person. Sabrina Cardia. That's what you saying?
Oh, we talking about girls? Listen, guy, Tiana Taylor.
Yeah, of course. She, Uzi. Gotta have Uzi up there. The Baby Cranks.
I don't be listening to Baby like that. I just started listening to him.
Khaled. Or Khalid, whatever you say his name. He got DMV's finest. Boy Chorus.
Go ahead and say it.
Left, right, beat the. Yeah. Alright, that's music. That's music. Next we got unpopular opinions.
Popular opinion.
Skinny girls with a little bit of butt.
Would you want a girl with a church or a girl with
What? Smoking guns? What? Get the fuck out of here! Get the fuck out of here!
I mean,
What?
you can. I mean, Brandon fell asleep. It's like,
Nah, bro. She gotta have it, but I'm sorry. That's been my standard since like day one.
yo, pancake.
Nope.
Oh, shit.
You gotta be better too. You gotta have an ass.
That's some popular opinion, I guess. Alright, school.
So I'm gonna.
I darn said it.
If it wasn't for school, I wouldn't know him. Basically, him, you know, because they went to school together.
Yeah.
So basically, school is why we have majority of the friends now. I know I'm with that cookie, but it'd be like that.
I mean, school helps me YouTube videos.
Yeah, YouTube videos.
It has its chill days. But like, sometimes it makes me wanna kill myself. Wait. Don't do that, kids. Alright, next we got girls. Basically, it's dead girls, but this is
Girls, gotta think, cause you got your, you know, your good girls, and you got the loud ones, always in drama. No shots to anyone that's always in drama, but you know, stay away from those ones, cause you know I be chilling. You know?
That's too pretty, girls.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
No drama. No drama.
girls.
Like over there. No drama. Kevin's had a bad
Like I
history.
said, if you don't got a budget, stay away. Man.
Kevin's had a bad history with females, especially in the last couple of days.
We on that?
But we won't address that.
Yeah,
This-
we gonna adjust something in like 3 seconds.
Alright, future goals. Well, I want to become a mechanical engineer and a successful YouTuber.
Same.
Probably soccer. If that happens, we'll see. How about you?
I want to start my own business, but I don't know what I want to do yet. But I do want to do YouTube too. Like I want to take that shit serious.
Good. What about you?
Own shoe brand, my guy.
You, man?
I mean, store. Like that what you do.
Kevo's Kicks.
Bro, shut up.
I'm giving you ideas and you telling me to
I'm not
shut
getting no
up.
Kevo's kicks.
That's
I'm
it.
not gonna do this one.
I was about walking around wearing Louis Vuitton. Fake bootleg Louis Vuitton.
It be like that sometimes.
Oh, okay.
Alright, next one.
We can do this.
Only African music I listen to is.
Hey, man.
Oh my God, is that badass?
I got that. Don't know what that means. Oh, is it?
Yeah, watch out, shoot. I'm doing a mukbang. Alright, that's it. That's just I'm doing a mukbang.
Alright, next we got funny high school experiences.
Move your face, move your face, hurry up. Move your face.
Funny.
Yo, stupid.
Funny high school experiences.
Funny high school experiences.
Oh, you wanna know one? He almost got me jumped.
Was that in high school?
No.
It was the summer when we get to high school, so.
Alright, let's talk about that. So we was at a party, right?
Stairwell. Malik jumped.
But funny, I gotta think. Only thing that really be funny, high school, is like just the people that I see, like people that you know, like I ain't gonna lie, I be calling them school shooters. I'm sorry, but if you're weird, I call you the school shooter because you on some other stuff. I'm sorry, it's no offense if you're one of those people.
I don't really have a funny high school experience.
Are you not telling me?
Unless it felt like a talent show or something.
Go ahead.
Girl, she be dancing.
Recording a
Like-
video.
She be dancing. Everybody be hyping her up. I'm gonna say she's ass, but it's just like really funny, so I can't like take it seriously. But yeah, stuff like that really happen. Alright, next we got Mario. You.
What you did in the group chat, bro?
Legger of the year, Michael the
Gotta
Morgan.
grab my legs. Hold on. Alright.
Michael the Morgan.
How about you?
That's all I gotta say.
Simple. Cut the clip. Next we got pet peeves.
Pet peeves.
Yeah.
Feet on my bed. It's like, no. But, pet peeves. Probably like, when people like touch, like, not like, touch me to like be weird. Like, sometimes Kevin be doing it. I ain't gonna tell him he be doing
You
it.
be on, like, you make it seem like it's gay or something, fool. I'm saying that. Like, you
You
don't
can
be.
seem like, look, Louis about to come over here and do. This is a pet peeve,
No,
right?
he
here.
does, right?
This is a, thank you for.
My pet peeves, man. People text me when they only need something from me.
That's not a pet peeve. That happens
I
to
hate
me
that.
every day.
And more like, they text me, I text them back, like fast, like same time they text me. And they text me back like an hour later. There's no purpose in doing that. It blows me. Alright, next one. Hey, what's your pet peeve?
Kevin put stuff on his Insta story.
Pet peeve?
You about to
When
say
niggas just do that, it's like, just look at him. Like, why is he like that? Look at him. I'm sick of you, bro.
Alright.
Wanna go downstairs and handle this? Well, look here. Look at you. Always thinking negative.
Alright. Turn-ons and turn-offs.
You,
what do you mean, like,
you're a turn off.
Like, what turn you on, turn you off.
about like
Let's do the female.
sexually or just?
Anything, it don't matter.
I'm just gonna keep it simple. Like, you gotta have like natural hair. If you got that nappy,
That's a turn-on?
yeah. If you got like that nappy stuff underneath them braids,
Turn-off?
that's a turn.
Every girl says boys have nappy hair, but the whole killer is their hair be nappy as shit. How about you just...
And the girls be like, "Oh, you have nice hair." They have the worst hair.
Like, I mean, that's tough.
Get your up.
My turn on. She had her hair done. The clear glossy lipstick. Well, I said lipstick, lip gloss, my fault. Yeah, that edges are done. You not like, oh, she just, yeah, that made no sense, but I'm like, yeah, glossy lips, hair done, edges done, teeth white, nice body. She don't got one. They definitely make it don't work. What about you? Oh wait, turn offs. Oh my god.
You already did turn off.
I did it. When girl, like, you know how people be standing and then they legs are like ostrich legs? Like they like curved, man. You know what I'm talking about, bro?
I know what you're
That
talking
shit-
about.
These girls stand like this shit lose you. Yeah, not the. I hope it's you.
I already did turn offs.
Alright.
You turn ons?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Your mom. Anyways,
that's tough. Alright.
be on them, bro.
Things my friends do that I hate.
What do I do, bro? What do I do that gets on your nerves? What does Kevin do that gets on you? Because Kevin be good.
That should be, bro. Like,
Bro, shut up, bro.
Kevin be again.
Better be lucky I touched your arm.
If Kevin has never gotten on your nerves, bro,
And I hate when my like
Y'all not
I have a
friends.
group of friends here, right? And then they meet my new friends and they want to be friends. Like I need my friends to be like separate. Like why y'all being friends with each
We
other?
already ruined that shit,
That
for you, so
be-
it not gonna matter.
sorry.
Not even you, cause y'all let. Never mind.
I just need my like. I don't like having my friends together. I like separate.
Y'all let.
friends.
Yeah.
Can we not throw shade? No.
Next we got rap your really kids. Kids always going raw. I don't know.
If you can't pull out, don't have sex.
Yeah. Let's talk about parties.
Huh? Never mind.
Parties?
Yeah, parties.
Listen.
We're gonna trick the topic off because it's stupid. Don't ever have a project. Don't ever expect a Project V party ever again.
Okay. Parties.
I love you.
Parties be, you know, BT, but you gotta have the right DJ.
No, you have the right group of friends to go to a party with. You can't go to a party with people that don't jump.
Can we not throw shade?
I'm just saying, like, fool. If you go to a party, right, and it's already dry, you need friends that are gonna tee it up with you, even though y'all are the only ones jumping.
I mean, you're right.
And then you can't go to a party with no girls are just standing there. Like, it's only like 2 girls twerking, and people always like, fool. Nobody wants to get twerked on by the same 2 girls.
Especially when girls faking on girls.
Yeah, that's it.
So good.
Honestly, I think parties are kind of done. Just for, you know how they always tax for niggas?
Yeah.
Like
$10.
Girls free, who said 3, just free in general.
My dad texted me good night.
And then you be in there,
They miss
just
me, man. They miss me.
Like, we think about it, parties just an easy way to finesse, especially if you really have money. But yeah, parties are definitely my thing. I'd rather have to take back.
What's the last one?
Last one.
Who's our girlfriends?
See this left hand right here?
Who we talk to? But I want to know about what you do with your left hand, bro.
Oh my god. Say nah. My girlfriend. Her name is.
Is that really your girlfriend?
That's my guy. LC.
I'll show y'all mine.
But she's not my girlfriend.
She's not my girl either.
She should be my wife. I'll make it happen. Though.
She's showing.
She's gonna decline the call. She doesn't like me.
Oh, you're covering the name.
Bro, you already know who it is, bro.
I don't know what that is.
Damn.
Oh.
It'd be like that sometimes, but yeah. Who's your girlfriend, bro?
Alright, she over.
I'm forever single.
Oh my god, that ball ass.
Only if I wasn't gay.
Yes.
Put the Mac to his mouth. Yeah, nigga, that's a lipstick. Okay. My niggas told me to rip this. All this gold on, I'm Egyptian. Shawty bad, she a vixen. I'm in my bag, nigga, listen. All this ice do is glisten. The plug dumb, I just tricked him. I want the money, I can keep the clout. My roller shining like the sun is out. Pull up to his house and I'ma run him out. I can show you what this drum about. I'm Lil Baby with the gunners now. This jump cracking when it's coming out.